Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to open or exit incognito mode in browser and Samsung S26 Ultra. If you're using Samsung S26 Ultra and you want to open or exit incognito mode, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your browser. It might be your Google Chrome or any other browser. So I'm going to use Google Chrome here. Now here's the incognito option. You just have to click on it to open an incognito mode or an incognito tab. Now you can search anything from here. It will not save in your history. Now once you have done, if you want to close it, you just have to click on this box over here. Now here you might see all the tabs you have opened in incognito mode. You just have to click on this glass icon and incognito mode will be disabled or will be exit. Now you can disable the normal mode again. So in this way you can easily open or exit incognito mode in your browser and Samsung S26 Ultra. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.